Hello and welcome to Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and I am really excited today because today we have Roja UAE, United Arab Emirates, and reading from what its note says or the ingredients like cumin, rose, agarwood, benzoin. There are a lot of list of ingredients. From the ingredients, I think it would be herbal, woody, and I really wanted to test this out because when you see the list of ingredients or notes, sometimes when you spray it, it has some leading or very powerful one or two or three directions. It doesn't smell like each and every different note. So from the notes, I really think this would be a good perfume. It should be. Let's find out. So let's spray it. 2 sprays would be enough. This is a good start. It has some powerful Rose de Mai or rose petals kind of perfume. It has some sparkling effect, maybe some citrus. That is why the rose citrus has some effect. It is musky, it is woody, it is kind of very close to Thai food. I actually reviewed Thai food before this. Yes, it has cassis or cassis. It is kind of like green, damp kind of feeling to it. Musky, animalic, rose, cassis, some herbal kind of effect to it. I don't sense much of the woodiness or oud over here because the animalic and the dirtiness or the muskiness is very prominent over here. For me, still Thai rose wins. This is kind of like in a bit different direction. It is more on the animalic or musky side. It has some floral maybe that is irritating me, maybe a lot of cassis over here. Yes, now it is animalic, it is herbal, it has some citrus or rose in the start. It has light woodiness that is at the background. Cassis or green herbal leaves or something like that. It has a very powerful note like this. Now it is getting a bit more mystical kind of perfume. I would recommend it for men, I think, that are in younger 20s or 30s. It is a kind of, if I put it in a category, it would be animalic, sexy category. Okay, musky, animalic, herbal or green kind of animalic perfume. Yes, it has some maybe florals, but it is mostly on the side of green and animalic, white musk or musky, animalic, green, herbal kind of, whole accord. Rose is a bit subdued over here. Animalic has the more power over here. So rosy, musky, and green cassis kind of rosy, musky, green. This is the category I would put it in. And now is the time to rate it. Okay, so this is Roja United Arab Emirates for you. I am going to rate it now. I am going to give 8 out of 10 for scent profile because I think it is going to be very powerful scent on your skin. So I am going to give it 8 out of 10 for scent profile and 8 out of 10 for performance. If you like these kind of perfumes, for me, I personally would not buy this one. I would buy Thai Oud instead of this one because Thai Oud is a really lovely balance of animalics and rose. This one has rose, animalic, and kind of like green cassis or green kind of leaves, kind of, crushed leaves kind of vibe to it. So this is my review about Roja UAE. If you agree with me or disagree with me, make sure you leave your comment below. I will meet you in another video and we will explore the last of the Roja Oud series I have in my sample kit. Till then, take care, bye bye, and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.